Hello friends, welcome to part 40 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part, we are going to work on the Open AI account setup. Okay, so we have understand the AI powered e-commerce features that we are going to do in the next few videos. But now it is important to do the Open AI account setup. Okay, so we already know about AI powered e-commerce features. Okay, but to integrate these features, we are required to make the OpenAI account in which we will get the API key. That API key we are going to use with all the AI features that we are going to integrate. Okay, so let's start the integration process of OpenAI. I'm going to open the OpenAI account. Okay, so this is the one-time setup that will be required for all the AI features we are going to build throughout this series. To build the AI powered features in our Laravel application, we first need to integrate the Open AI APIs. These APIs will help us implement several powerful AI driven features that can significantly improve customer experience, SEO, sales, and automation. Before integrating OpenAI into Laravel, we will first need to create and configure an OpenAI account properly. That we are going to do right now. Therefore, in this part, we will understand the complete OpenAI platform setup process, generate API keys, configure billing so that we can use OpenAI APIs in the upcoming videos. In this part, we will complete the entire OpenAI account setup process so that we can start integrating OpenAI APIs into our Laravel application in the next part. So let's open this website in this step first, platform.openai.com. Even you can simply search here OpenAI, then you will able to you can able to open this website. Okay, so here you can log in if you are already having the if you have already made your account in this website, then you can simply log in. Okay, otherwise you can able to register. Okay, so I'm going to click on this particular link to register to this OpenAI, platform.openai.com. Okay, so you can register with your Google, Apple, Microsoft, and your mobile number as well. I'm going to register with my Google accounts. Okay, StackDevelopers to at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to register with that. Here you can see I am trying to register with my email, with my Gmail that is attached to my Stack Developers YouTube channel, StackDevelopers2 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, then I will click on continue. So it is asking my age. I'm going to fill my age and will finish creating account. So this is the next step. Welcome to OpenAI platform. Name your organization and first project to get your workspace ready. So I am going to put here the stack developers, and here we can name this project as Laravel e-commerce project. Here I mentioned it as well, that we can name the project as Laravel e-commerce project, or we can add here the dummy project or anything. Okay, I'm going to put the Laravel e-commerce project and we'll continue. Then see, I'm going to select the free plan right now. First, I'm going to select the free plan. Okay, and if the free plan work, then it's fine. Otherwise, I'm going to going to register with this prototype plan. It's starting with the $5. Okay, API credits is required $5. I think we are required to purchase this prototype plan, but let's start with the free plan, then we will upgrade to this $5 plan, prototype plan, because we require some credits. We require some API credits so that we can able to integrate the AI features into our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so I hope that client will have no issue paying $5 in 1 month, because his e-commerce website is going to be the AI featured e-commerce website with lot of features. So right now I'm going to select the free and we'll continue. So here, this is the step that we want. We want this API key. Okay. So I'm going to create this API key. Here you can also see now, click create new secret key, enter name for your key. Example, Laravel e-commerce project, create secret key. Okay. So we can see rename this one. This is my test key is coming as default. API key name, we can make it like the StackDevelopers key or e-commerce key, anything. I'm going to make it like the StackDevelopers key and generate API key. So I have got this API key that I can able to use in my e-commerce website. And here you can see, try out your new API key. Okay. So I'm going to use this API key in my PHP functionality. So this is the way to generate the API key in the OpenAI. Okay, I will continue with it. Okay, so now you can see I have able to create an API key. Okay, so from here I can able to add the credits. Okay, so here it's coming as credit remaining. It's the $0 right now. So ultimately I am required to add the credits from here. Okay, to use the API key. Most of the time we can't use the API key without adding the credits. Okay, so here you can able to add the payment details. Okay, so here you can add your card number, any card number. You can add your international debit card, or see, here I have already mentioned. And one thing more I want to tell you, that don't means misunderstand with the chat gpt. This is different from the chat gpt. If you have already purchased the chat gpt, it does not mean that you have purchased the open ai. This open ai credits are different from the chat gpt subscription. Okay, so you need to buy the credits from here only. And uh, see, this is the another way for buying the credits. You can also click here. Okay, this is the same url. I have mentioned it there as well. You can directly go to this url and add the credits here. For adding the credits, you are required to add the payment details. And for adding the payment details, here you can see that you can able to see, it's not asked me right now purchase for myself or purchase for business. In case it will ask, then we can add here like, if you want to purchase for yourself, then you can simply mention individual developer or student. Otherwise, if you have some business, then you can mention the company or organization. Okay, and the debit card or credit card you can add here. After clicking on this add payment method, you can add your credit or debit card here. Okay, and it must be international. You are going to do the international transactions, so that's why international payment must be enabled in your debit or credit card. Okay, so the initial credit, is recommended to add $5. Okay, so that credit I am going to add from my end. Okay, I am going to use the API key first of all, and then whenever it will show me the error that I can't use that API key without adding the credit, then I'm going to add the credits from here. I'm going to add my card here, and after that I'm going to add the credits. Then I can see the credits here as well. Okay, and once I will get these credits, I'm going to use this OpenAI APIs. So in the next part, we are going to use this OpenAI API key in all the other features that we are going to integrate. Okay, I have already explained that we are going to integrate these features, AI product description generator. So first of all, we are going to generate the description in the admin panel with the help of AI. Okay, first thing we are going to do this one, and with this we can able to test the API key as well, that it is working or not. Okay, so stay tuned for the next part, in which we are going to uh, integrate this AI product description generator. Okay, so first I am going to try to use this API key that I have generated from here. Okay, I have already generated this API key. First, I am going to try to use this API key that I have generated. And once it will work fine, then it's okay. Otherwise, I'm going to add the credits. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next part. So please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.